Hello there, welcome back to another video. Just like and subscribe, this is horrifying. I'm too powerful for you, peasantly. Roombas. Yeah, this... No. Let's make some of this, do one of these. Yep. Yo, door. Open. Here, I'll release the Roombas. There we go. Beautiful, 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 yes. They've been eliminated. Beautiful, the Roomba Wars starting. I'm destroying the Roombas. Come on, Army. Leave some plotting to do. It's time to crash. My FPS is dying. Why did you do this to YouTube? No. I don't know, mate. Go, my army, attack! I'm too powerful for you. Must keep placing, must keep placing. YouTube has gotten another YouTuber, and that's me. I am the one who ruined everything. Come here, come here. Perish! Surrender to me or perish! And, we don't talk about Bruton. Wait a minute. Wait a minute! You dare! Attack! It's already lagging, my FPS is dying. I don't know what that means, but I don't think it's good. Anyway, while this is going on, I'm just gonna place more keys real quick. And then I'm gonna boop. Time to get away from the lag strike. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna crash. That's my plan. Get him, boys. Get him, guys. Attack. Destroy them. I really don't want to get hit by a shark. Because I'm gonna. Where are you, Shadow? Is that you? Shadow? Hello there, Shadow. I see you haven't placed down any Roombas yet. I guess I can make you lag some. Wait a minute. Zoom is, oh no. Zoom is gone. I crashed Zoom. Perfect. Now you must all suffer. Don't worry, you're fine. They can't kill you. Yet. This is very evil. No one is safe unless I'm gone. No one is safe anymore. Anyway, I'm gonna leave that to you. I'm gonna leave that to you while you just hope you get warm. Please like and subscribe. This is the Roomba 5th video. If you get tired of this small little series, I don't know if it's a series. Yep, Zoom crashed. But it's I don't know how many more videos of Roombas I might make, but I'm just gonna boop 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 boo doo 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 do 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 10 hours later. Do 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 do. I lagged. Shadow crashed. Okay. It's either now I have to see who has the best computer. Whoever lags next is gonna not get have the second best computer out of my friends here. Who's the best computer? King, I don't know I don't know if the king is okay. Can the game handle this? Probably not. This is all my wait, Shadow's still alive. Shadow's still alive. Do you enjoy your crashing? Oh, this is gonna be a good video. Okay. It's been 5 minutes. 5 or 6 minutes. Anyways. Alright, there's... No! No! Oh my gosh, no, my FPS went up. Did I crash you? Did I? Still, I want to know. If we did crash Shadow, then that's why then my goal has been reached. Or did you just leave? One of those. Good, tell me, or just tell me, Shadow. Did you crash or just leave? Or did you just like... Okay. Okay. You did nothing to King. King is fine. King... I am too powerful.